Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing both tools and content. Sign into Google Maps, enable location, and choose whether you'll record the screen or film the device. Once chosen, set your recorder to 1080p at 30 fps for clear motion, and create a short storyboard that lists the route, pins, and timestamps so you stay efficient. Make sure to open the exact map area and clear notifications. This prevents interruptions. Now hit record on a short test clip to confirm audio levels and frame composition. Once your setup is stable, record the core map sequence with deliberate, smooth pans and controlled zooms. This keeps viewers oriented and reduces motion sickness. Capture an overview of the route, then record step-by-step navigation and close-ups of points of interest. If you narrate live, speak clearly and include verbal markers for later edits. Alternatively, record a separate voiceover to tighten pacing. Make multiple takes of tricky movements, so you can pick the cleanest clip during editing and ensure consistent lighting for device footage. You finish by editing. Sync your narration to timestamps, stabilize shaky frames, add callout labels, and apply subtle speed ramps to keep pace. Use soft background music under 60% volume so directions remain audible. Export with H. 264 at 1080p, 16, 9, 30 fps, and a target bitrate of 8 to 12 mbps for a good balance of size and quality. If playback stutters or exports fail, make sure to clear background apps, free disk space, or drop to 720p. This usually results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.